So here we are going to make a video of the places that we selected. One was IEA, another one was MUST, another one was University of Ibadan, and Mogadishu National Stadium. So we are still in Mogadishu. So we shall start from here and go backwards until we reach IEA. So we come here and click on video. So once you place the video, you realize that you get something like this. This is a stop button and this is a start button. So whatever you say will be recorded by that video. So how do we do this? Click on the microphone and you start taking people through a tour. So you see now it's counting, and you start telling people that now this is the National Stadium of Mogadishu, which is located in Somalia. You can view it, and then now you want to show them the University of Ibadan, so you double click on University of Ibadan. I know some of you have viewed this on National Geographic Channel, all that, and you didn't know how it was done. So here we are. So this is the University of Ibadan. Those who know it, you can take people through the details of it. So so you take people through the details of it and tell them about the University of Ibadan. Then you can go to Mbarara University. This is in Mbarara, one of my hometowns. So see how it is taking us, and it's giving us the details. So this is the main campus. This is I don't know if it's the main campus. I think now this is the town campus, and then they have another main campus. So this is Mbarara University, there's a hospital and all that. And then lastly, we come back to the International University of East Africa, which is in Kampala. So you can view it, you can zoom in, and you can take someone through a tour of the International University of East Africa, which is here. So after that, you're done with your recording. So you click on this stop button so that you can end the recording. So you're hearing it. So you see now it's counting, and you start telling people that now this is the. I think you can hear my video is playing, which is located in Somalia. You can view it. If you want, you can stop it here, and then so you should be able to make such kind of videos when you are at home, anywhere you are planning a journey. Then you can make such a video and you can share it and make a presentation to your supervisors. You can hear that my video is playing very well, and it has recorded everything, every little detail of everything. So I can make a good presentation, and maybe it can help me to get a job. So I'm going to stop the video, and then you can save it. So you click on save, and you give it a name. I'm going to call it my first tour, my first Google Earth tour. Then click on OK. So it has been saved and it is here. That's my video. So I hope we've all been able to make our first video, and I hope you people can make more beautiful videos and share them with your parents, share them with your colleagues. Shine whenever you have a chance to shine, and thank you for being part of this. So the next thing we shall understand the next part. Let's go slowly by slowly and we can complete. Thank you.